Hey, good morning you all. I'm Steve from Off Grid. There's a 1955 WD-45 farmall, the powerhouse of its day. It still pulls the front wheels with no weight on the back. It's a restoration project. This week I'll be painting it, or Sal will be painting it. I'm not exactly sure who's going to do it. But anyhow, here's the deal. It's got a working 3-point hitch. Still got a working 3-point hitch. And a nice fold down seat to keep the rain out of it. And the morning light. Anyhow, just wanted to fire it up this morning and see how easily it started, like usual. And of course, you know, here's its twin, except for this is a wide front, and this is a 1953 Allis Chalmers WD. I hope I didn't call this a farmall. I have a farmall, but this is a 55 WD Allis Chalmers, and it still has the crank handle on it, and it still actually has the crank over here on the wheel well. Right there on the wheel well, that's the crank started. But anyhow, wanted to start that run. We got a lot of these pumpkins. Sal and I were growing pumpkins, and we transplanted these big ones, and they went through some shops. So we're going to got to put some water on them. And trying to capture some morning light. The pictures always look better in the morning light. And then these are the farmall accessories, of course. Nice 3-bottom plow with the knives, and all new moldboard. And of course a hitch. I mean front loader, and I have wheel weight